Good morning to everyone. Today we are doing a small activity on real numbers. Let's see. My students will say what about the real numbers.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashmika. I am studying 9th standard from MTM branch. Today we are doing a small activity on real numbers.
Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example 50 to 100, like that.
With zero, natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted by capital W. Example 0, 70, 20. Combination of positive numbers and negative numbers along with zero are called integers. Examples 0, 8, minus 5, 97, and so on.
The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. These numbers are called rational numbers. They are denoted by capital Q.
If the number cannot be written in the form of P by Q, P comma Q are integers, Q not equals to 0. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. Example square root of 2, square root of 55, square root of 44, etc.
After the decimal points, the digits are finite. Is called terminating decimals. Example 0.3, 0.75.
After the decimal point, the digits are infinite. Then it is called non-terminating decimal. Example 3.146 and so on.
Okay.
After the decimal point, the digits are non-terminating and repeating. Then it is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Example 0.33 and so on, 0.7575 and so on.
After the decimal point, the digits are infinite and it will not repeat. It is called non-terminating, non-recurring. Example 0, 3, 0 and so on.
The repeating block of digits that continues infinitely in a repeating decimal is called period. Examples 0.454545 and so on. Here period is equals to 45.
Periodicity, the number of digits that repeats endlessly and in a recurring decimal is called periodicity. Example 0.33 and so on. Periodicity is equals to 1.
Real numbers. The combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers.